All right, I'm here with Lisa Smigo, champion of the senior women's division and the 7th annual Washington State Champion of Champions. Lisa, congratulations. This is your second time winning this championship.
Yes.
Tell me a little bit about how it feels to be a two-time state champion.
I'm just really relieved that I was able to finish today. I've been having some back issues since yesterday and didn't hit very many great shots, but I did get up and down enough to at least get into a playoff with my good friend Ginny Berkey.
Good, yeah, you stuck it out. Rounds 75-78, and like you said, a three-hole playoff. Can you kind of tell us a little bit about what happened out there at the playoff?
Well, the first hole in the playoff, we both made kind of routine pars. And the second hole of the playoff, we both made kind of routine bogeys. Not the best hole. I ended up in a sandfield divot for my third shot, and it just came up short of the green. And Ginny had to a fairly long putt, but she three-putted. So we went on to the next hole, and both hit good drives. I hit a really good iron shot that stopped about 12 feet behind the hole. Ginny, I think, had kind of a tough lie on the left side of the fairway and put it in the big, huge, gaping bunker on 17, and she had trouble extracting herself from that, so the playoff was pretty much over there.
Yeah, it's always fun to compete with a close friend. You guys were neck and neck both days. I know you and Ginny have played together in quite a few events.
Yes, we won the women's best ball, Washington State women's best ball last year. I think we've won the PNG senior team a couple times in a row, and have known each other since college.
Yeah. Well, now that you're one up on her, I'm sure she'll be looking to get you next time. And speaking of that, first event of the year, good way to get started with a victory. What do you have planned for the rest of the summer?
Well, me and my husband are in the process of moving to Oro Valley, Arizona, so our house is going on the market. I really can't make any commitments to even being here with the way the real estate market is here, so I'm just going to wait and see what happens.
Well, I'm sure the Arizona Golf Association will appreciate when you start playing down there as well.
I already have, and yes, they appreciate my entry fees too.
Well, we'll miss you here. Hopefully we see you a little bit more this summer. Maybe you and Ginny can defend some of the titles you won last year. So again, congratulations, and look forward to seeing you in the future.
All right, thank you so much.